Yo, sick shirt, bro. Okay, slow.
Welcome back, guys. Not a whole lot's going on here. You know, I'm still got everything going on in my life. I did head over to a shop and got some tires mounted on my front runners. I went over to Great Plains Customs. Those guys over there are the best. They really specialize in aftermarket accessories for trucks, cars, and everything like that. And they're really good. They got good tire machines. Everything, not to scratch wheels and everything. So I got my front runners installed. These are those brand new Mickey Thompson ET Streets, and I didn't know they were directional, so we actually mounted one backwards, but then we noticed it before we were done, so we ended up just flipping around. And then in the mail I got new rear tires. So Tyler's on his way over. He's done beadlocks before. I haven't, so he's just gonna come over and help me install these tires on these beadlocks. And then I don't know if the front tires are gonna bolt up, as I don't have extended studs in the front. I know the backs will, but I'm gonna try maybe Saturday to see if the fronts will bolt up with my short lug nuts. If not, I have lug nuts coming. I ordered some. I mean, wheel studs coming. I just have to get them and put them in, so that will be that. I got home from my trip, and London's got her bouncy house up, and that's what she's doing right now. She's jumping on the bouncy house with the sprinkler going. We got that a couple years ago for her birthday, and actually Christmas I think it was, so she's enjoying that. But other than that, I'm gonna wait for Tyler to get over here, and then we're gonna install some tires. Back up on that. Probably the back of the bead is dry.
Nope. You're set.
You sure?
Yeah.
So we're back. Tyler came over and helped me did that, as you guys seen in the video. And they turned out awesome. These wheels look so good. I did put my front wheel on the truck. It does fit. I'm definitely gonna need longer wheel studs, which I did get lucky with, and they did come in today. But that's how they look on the truck. And the suspension hasn't settled yet, so it's gonna sit lower. But these things look so good on the truck. I'm so happy on the way they turned out. They turned out really nice. I think maybe tomorrow I'm gonna try putting those wheel studs in. I don't know if I'll be able to get it done, but I'm not going racing for a couple more weeks, so I got time to just run around how they are. But I did get the wheel studs in. They're right here. I got 2 sets of them. They're the Moroso or whatever wheel studs. The ARP, I guess, was out of stock, and these are the same thing. They're the front, so I don't really need the ARP quality. They're just gonna hold the tire on, you know. But that's all I got for today. I think with 4th of July going on, I think there ain't really nothing really going on. There are a couple races farther south. There was a race I was supposed to go to that had a tailgate class, which would be freaking awesome if I could go to it, because Toby's gonna be there. Flashlight starts. Would have been just awesome to be at, and being a truck, you know, better odds for me. That's just the way it goes. I'm in small tire class normally. I'm not quite a fast small tire car compared to a lot of these things, but tailgate class, I can hold my own in the tailgate class, but I won't be able to make it. I don't have a tow rig to get down there, so that's that. I know there's going to be a car show in a town real close to us in Lenox. I'm probably going to hit that up. That's on a Monday, though, so that's kind of a weird show. I'll probably go to that and see how that goes. But other than that, last weekend I got Best Engine at the car show there in Del Rapids, which is pretty cool. I didn't win the truck class because, of course, Haley and Randy's trucks were in there, and Haley, I think, got second in the truck class, and then a brand new Trackhawk won as first class as a truck SUV class. But that's all I got planned for the next week or so. And I think a couple of us guys are gonna try going out and doing some test hits local on the streets. We got a pretty good road down here in town, so we like to go testing on it. And other than that, that's all I got. So, and maybe tomorrow these will be on the truck. Maybe. I don't know yet, but maybe. Stay tuned. Thanks, guys. Welcome back, guys. I got the truck in the air. I'm gonna do those wheel studs today. I tell you what, I put that wheel on last night, and when the suspension all went down, those front wheels look so good on the truck. So I can't wait to get the full matching set all the way around. But I'm gonna do this quick. I'm not gonna film any of it. I'm just gonna knock it out real quick. And then when I'm all done, I'll let you guys know what the truck looks like with the fronts and rears on it. I can't wait, I'm so pumped. Well, as you can tell, I sweat a lot. It's hot today. I think it's like 90 degrees. But I did get the new wheel studs in, and I got the wheels on the truck, all 4 corners. And I tell you what, this thing looks so good. Like, I should have did beadlock wheels years ago. These things look so good. But I haven't moved the truck yet, so the suspension hasn't settled in the front, so it's gonna look like it's sitting a little higher than what it actually will. But this is what it looks like. This thing looks so good. Got those extended studs. The guys at the tech shop can't yell at me no more. God, those look so good. This just made the truck the way it is. And that wing with the parachute. This makes this truck look so good. Yes. You know, over the years, I knew that I always wanted the S10 white. And for the longest time, it was like 10 different colors. Well, it's white. And I always wanted black wheels. I didn't know if I really wanted beadlocks or not, but now I got the beadlocks and I freaking love it. So I'm really glad that I did what I did. I can't thank Wade enough at Keizer Wheels enough. He helped me out a lot on these, and these things look so good. I can't wait to get out on the track and see them how they move. Also, I do have my scale out and I was weighing the tires. Now, these are Jeg Spikes 15-inch wheel with some just street tires on them or something like that. And my new ones are 17s with the ET Streets on them. And these Jeg Spikes were about 4 pounds heavier than the fronts. So that's like 8 pounds more off the nose of the truck. And then the rears, these were like 42 pounds. These Jeg Spikes were like 42.1 pounds. And my Keizer rears, I think because all the hardware on it with the beadlock and stuff like that, they're like 42.6, 42.7. So they're just a tad bit heavier for the back, but that's all right. I cut some weight off the front, and you know, like I'll take every bit of weight off the front I could, you know, so I'll take that. But other than that, the truck's done. Got a loud neighbor driving by, but the truck's done. And got car show Monday. It's 4th of July weekend, so everybody's getting festive and everything like that. So Monday I'll be at the car show, and then the work week, and then I guess we'll see if I feel better enough and we can go out testing the weekend after. So I think the guys are all ready to go testing too, so I'll just tag along and we'll all go help each other and see what these things can do. All right, don't forget, like, comment, subscribe. I'm still trying to reach 1,000, and I need your guys' help to do it. Thanks.
You guys are lucky to have dogs.